Hey guys, a couple weeks ago I had a problem starting this truck. This is a 4.3 Chevy V6, and I got two sitting here. Yeah, I swapped fuel filters, checked spark and everything, checked battery, checked the computer and codes. I cannot get this thing to crank. It would just spin over, I don't know, several times until the battery died. It just wouldn't crank. It would act like it was going to start getting fire, and then it would just quit. So this might be a solution to some people after you check your fuel filters and check your spark. And the way you can do that is you can buy one of these from, I don't know, O'Reilly's or Napa, and all you do is stick it in the plug wire and put the other side on the ground and crank your truck, and if your spark is working, you'll see the spark in the middle. But for some people, for this solution, you will still see a spark, but it's not going to be going in the right order. Okay, so my solution was, I don't know if y'all can see it in here, but let me try to get a better spot. Was my distributor cap got moisture in it, and so I get this thing back there. It's that plastic thing with the 4 wires plugged into it right there. It got water in it and it wouldn't let it fire right. So what I ended up doing was pulling the distributor cap out and cleaning it with a wired brush, and it was all corroded in there, and I sprayed some WD-40 in it and spun it over for about 5 minutes, 'cause, you know, the WD-40 messes with it just a little bit at the first start, and it cranks right up. So that might be a solution for somebody that's has good fuel filter's new, spark's good, everything checks out, no codes running. That was a fix for me though, just dirty distributor. Or I went ahead and cleaned mine, but you can swap it out. It's probably $50 on eBay or something, but yeah, so just give it a try. Just take off that plastic cap. You're gonna have to remove your air filter, your hoses, remove the cover on top of the intake, and then it's going to be 2 hex screws or security screws, and it just pops right off. There's no seal around it, but that would be the reason why water got it in the first place. But pop it off, and there should be, once you get the cap in your hands, there should be a bunch of like brass pins in it, and you just want to clean those off, sand them, whatever you do to clean off the stuff in it, and put it back together. And make sure you put WD-40 in it for water displacement to keep the water out. But that was about it.